would try to ride through that bitch, but that bitch looks so, like, I don't even think that'd be smart. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 2K Drip, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see, man, from the title, as y'all see behind me, man, I got my baby, my new baby, my RFC Apollo, you know what I'm saying, little 125cc. Nah, no engine, you know what I'm saying, she get down. So I just want to make this video to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, when I'm bringing to the channel. I'm gonna try to bring out a whole bunch of new footage and content with this baby, you know what I'm saying. She definitely get up, definitely fast and fun. She definitely different. Me in general, I'll get on a 360 tour. So this my baby, here she go right here, you know what I'm saying. She clean, had to get that blue, you know. But me in general, you know what I'm saying, all my life, I've been riding four-wheelers, go-karts, stuff like that. So I wanted something a little different, something a little new. It's definitely different riding it. The clutch is different. Everything on it is just different. It's way more dangerous, I say, than a four-wheeler. So if you're looking to trying to decide between a four-wheeler or dirt bike's your first pick, if you just want something to get on, drive, and have fun, not really have too much worries in a four-wheeler. But if you look for something you can get on and really have to, you know what I'm saying, learn some skill and, you know what I'm saying, some tricks, get a dirt bike, man. I'm telling you, it's worth it. So, but definitely, as y'all can hear from my voice as well, let me put that out. That's what from my voice y'all can tell. Now, I've been sick as shit technically I'm over it now. I was sick for probably about a whole week, so that's why I haven't been putting out no content for y'all. I barely could even talk. I was just in bed 24/7 like all day. So definitely expect more content coming, especially with the dirt bike, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm in the process of finding the right trails like that to go to. Not trails, but like parks and stuff like go to, or like off-road and places like that to find and go to, because you know I live in Orlando, Florida, you know what I'm saying, ain't really much shit here to really go to and ride dirt bikes and stuff. So I mean, most of the stuff you gotta make up or find elsewhere. So I'm in the process of doing that right now. Other than that though, man, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna get y'all some POV, get y'all some footage, man. That's about it, man. Let me know if you guys want these kind of videos. Comment below what kind of videos you guys want. I got some good stuff in the making for y'all. Other than that, man, let's get to it. It's freezing. I should have put my gloves on. I don't know why I'm wearing them hoes. try to ride through that bitch, but that bitch looks so, like, I don't even think that'd be smart. Like, hell no.